M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So, playing around with RT systems, which I highly recommend as an easy programming software solution. And look here, we've got me showing up on Dprs, which is on APRS FI, using Dprs. And the quickest way to do this is via using your hotspot or near repeater and then setting it up. So let's go to the software. So the first thing you do is get onto the RT system software and read your radio communications, get data from radio. All you need is a micro USB cable. The software is $25 to download from RT systems. Just literally search the software you want and away you go. Just download it. They give you a serial number. Once you've got that, open up your programming software. Now, if you haven't got your hotspot in already, what you need to do is click here. The way I do it is click here at the bottom, DR mode, and then I would just click. This is how I've done it. Insert channel. So I would go edit, then insert channel, and I put your frequency in first. I'll just do a duplicate. So 433 is mine. .550. Offset frequency. Keep, if it's blank, it's 0. You do want it to say duplex, or otherwise it won't work properly. Tick the little blue box, DV, and give it a name. We'll call this hotspot 5. The nice thing about RT systems is you can have multiple hotspots without getting an error on the actual radio. Because if you put it in the radio, you'll get an error unless you use a different letter, and I'll tell you why as we go over. So look, subname H5, no tone. Now you do need M0FXB space B and then space G. Now the reason you get an error on the radio is it doesn't like multiple call signs that are the same. So in the past I've used a Q and a H and all that, but then you have to go into your hotspot and you have to change, you have to change that letter there. Let's just find this hotspot and I'll just show you configuration. Click config. You can change the letter. It's here. Look, scroll down and see where it's got a B. You can change it, and each letter does mean something. So I don't like doing that. So with the RT systems, you don't have to, which is a very good thing. So once you've done that, you're in the radio. You've got your hotspot in. Go all the way across. M0FXB B, then G. Obviously, this has to be your call sign. So your call sign with a B and a G. It's up to you if you want to use your latitude and longitude. Put that in. I've left it blank at the moment, just laziness to be honest. And you've got your UTC offset. You don't need that. There's many things on here you don't need. You can actually get rid of them. What you do is you go, let's have a look now, settings, preferences. And in this first box, grid display, you can actually remove the columns you don't want just by ticking these boxes, which is quite handy. The other thing you can do, which is handy, I'll quickly show you. You can go File, External Data, go down to Repeater Book Search, which is free, by the way. Put in your location and a radius. Choose the kind of repeaters you'd like to have, so 2 meters and 70. Let's just choose 2, so it's not too long a list at the moment. Click OK. And look, you've got all your repeaters, 2 meter repeaters, and then just click Create File. Once it's created a file for you, which normally opens a new tab. No, my luck, it won't. Yeah, it has. Then you can just go click the top one, click Control A, it selects them all. Then you can go copy, go back to your memories list here, go to the bottom, which happens to be extensive, as you can see. Click here at the top. Oh, it's saying I'm full. But if I wasn't full, yeah, just click OK. It might let me go. No, you would literally just go right click, paste, or I think you can do Control. Let's have a look at Edit, Control V, and paste them in, and you've got your repeaters in. That's really handy. Anyway, stop waffling. Right, back to what we were doing. So we're going along with setting up our hotspot. So go to, send that hotspot to your radio, then go to, so what you do, you go communication, send data, and it would add that hotspot to your radio. Once that's done, then go to radio menu settings, GPS. Here it is here, GPS. Now look at my settings. So I've got internal GPS. I haven't added my location, but I should do. What it is, I haven't got a lock. So normally that would just give me a lock. So let's just put in 52 for now, 52 here, north, and then we'll just put a 2 where it says on the west, altitude 100 feet. And we'll put in a message as well, we can do that. So Andreas, southwest, WST. We'll turn on GPS to Dprs. GPS message, just put hi Andreas, like so. Position, I'll leave that as position. SSID, I put -10. Click altitude, power, add your power. Say, well, it's a handheld, so put 4 watts. No gain. Timestamp, we might as well turn that on. We'll select one of these. Data extension, course speed, height, direction, look, message, and then just send that to your radio, like I did. Apply the settings. I'm going to put no because I don't want to change my settings. Then go communications, send data to radio. When your radio reboots, it will look like my radio, and you will have the DV will have a little arrow next to it, and then when you transmit, you will show up on, type in APRS FI, and then put your call sign in here and do a search, and you'll show up. And that's what happened with me. It said D star. I can even be street tracked. M0FXB-10. It's got the time, speed, etc, and whatever information you've decided to add. Andreas, Southwest UK, and it will give and more information, whatever you decide. So hopefully that will help you set up your DPRS, show up on APRS FI using the RT systems. 7.3, thanks for watching my channel. All the best.